So in my first 3 months of Forex, I blew almost $1,500 I had saved for some years. So 99% of beginners watching this, okay, it will you'll do exactly unless you hear this right now. So this is the real story. So I thought I was smart. I saw some YouTuber takes a 5 pip scalp and turn $100 into $5,000. Funny, okay? So I opened a real account, putting in my $1,500 and started trading. So I traded a 0.5 to 1 lot, just imagine, on every single signal I saw, right? So, but the result wasn't convincing. I lost almost 8 trades in a row. Okay, so margin call came and account was wiped, right? So the mistake wasn't the strategy. It was one stupid thing almost every beginner does, right? So this is the mistake and how you can fix it. So trading is like trading like the account is infinite. That's a mistake. And I was risking $100. Just imagine, I was risking $100 to $300 per trade on a 500 account. Just imagine, that is madness. So that's almost the one, or it's almost a 10 to 20% risk, right? So the fix is dead simple, very simple. Never risk more than 1 to 2% on your account on a single trade. So let's say you're having a $1,500 account. Maximum risk is $15. $15, guys. Okay, per trade. You risk $15 and you target something like $100 or $50. So a 100 account, it is $2 maximum per trade. That is enough. That simple rule would have turned my 8 losing streak into just $155 instead of 1,500 I lost. Okay, I would still be trading today instead of starting over. Okay, so this is the reality check. In 2025, 2026, spreads are tighter, leverage is higher, and scams are everywhere. So now if you break the 1% to 2% rule, you will be broke by next year. I learned it the hardest way possible, so you don't have to. So if you're starting Forex right now and you are scared of losing everything like I did, I made a completely free 2025 beginner guide that walk you through from zero to your first real profit using only the 1% rule and one simple strategy. So links in the description. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing and giving a like to this video.